Hi, welcome to the last episode of Breaking Recipes. After having contestants from Lithuania, Italy, the Netherlands and Aruba, it's finally time to meet the last two contestants. So let's get into it. Hi, welcome to the third episode of Breaking Recipes, and I'm here with
Mia from Iceland.
and
Lilia from Bulgaria.
okay, and as you guys know, we will start off with the trivia round. Before we start cooking, it is time for two trivia rounds. The participants will face off against each other. The one that gets the most correct answers is allowed to choose their extra ingredient and the one for the opponent. So let's start off with the first question. Beer was illegal in Iceland until answer A, 1964, answer B, 1976 and answer C, 1989. Please hold up your plates if you know the answer. Yeah, Lily is correct. It's answer C. Okay. So let's go to the second question. Iceland has how many Miss World winners? Answer A, 4. Answer B, 6. And answer C, 8. Show your plates.
Oops.
Yeah, you're both right. It's answer A.
Any beauty queens from Iceland?
So, Lily is the winner of this round. So let's get in the extra ingredients.
Okay, I choose the skyr for myself and I will give Mia the bread. So
Yes.
good luck.
So this is the trivia round of Bulgaria. So let's start off with the first question. In what year was Bulgaria established? Answer A, 681 AD. Answer B, 764 AD. And answer C, 936 AD. Show your answers.
I'm pretty sure it's B.
It's not B, it's
Oh.
A.
Yay.
So, question 2. Which of the following is a Bulgarian invention? Answer A, the alarm clocks. Answer B, the wristwatch. And answer C, the digital clock. It's a hard one.
I think wrist clocks.
It's the wristwatch.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
That's really interesting
Yeah.
actually. I never wear a watch, so
And-
I wear a watch, so
you
maybe.
should know.
Since it's Bulgaria round, and Bulgarians should have known this, the round goes to Iceland.
For sure. Like it was a hard one and I could
Yes,
do it.
it is. I've never done it.
Okay, I will choose for myself the nuts, which is more convenient for me. And for you, the cheese. I think.
Okay, yeah.
Interesting. Okay, so let's start the cooking. Hi, so welcome to the cooking part. And first off, we will start off with Lily and explaining her dish.
Okay, so I'm making the most traditional Bulgarian dish ever, that is banica. It's similar to burek. It's filled with cheese and with yogurt, and it's amazing. It's usually grandmothers make it, so I'm really excited to present it to you.
Okay, and these are your extra ingredients. So how are you going to implement those?
So I chose skyr because it's really close to Greek yogurt or Bulgarian yogurt, and it's just gonna make it thicker. So let's see. I think it's gonna be interesting.
Yeah.
And feta cheese is similar to Bulgarian white cheese.
Yeah.
So I think it's going to also be interesting. So
Okay, sounds nice. And what are you going to cook?
I'm making grjónagrautur, which is also a traditional Icelandic meal, and like Lily's, grandmothers and grandparents usually make it, and yeah, it's with rice, milk, and then added with cinnamon sugar and raisins, and it's very delicious.
Okay, and these are the extra ingredients. How are you
Yes.
going to implement those?
I thought I would just mix this with the raisins. I think
Yeah.
it will be good, and people can eat this on the side and dip it in it. I think I've never done it before, but I think it will work.
Okay, sounds nice. So let's start the cooking. Mia starts with the most time-consuming part, cooking the rice. The sugar with cinnamon will later be used as the topping. Lily starts with the filling. She immediately uses her first extra ingredient, the skyr, which is similar to the Greek yogurt she already had. She also adds the feta, her second extra ingredient. Mia is adding milk to the rice to make it a porridge. Lily adds eggs to the filling. And also her last ingredient, baking soda. Okay, how are you doing, Mia?
I think I put the milk in a little bit too soon, but I think it will be okay.
Okay, and why did you choose this recipe?
Because my grandfather, he used to make this every Saturday for me and my family. And we used to get together and make this grjónagrautur and eat it all together. So it was like, I have nice memories around it.
Yeah.
It was like, yeah.
Okay.
Family time.
Yeah, really family memories
Yeah.
about the recipe. Okay, I'm really looking forward into eating it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hopefully it will be tasty.
Yeah, good luck.
Thank you.
Now that Lily is done with the filling, it is time to bring in the dough. Mia will use the rye bread, her first extra ingredient, as a side dish. She will also use it in a creative, decorative way. Lily is layering her ingredients. It might look like paper, but this is a thin kind of dough. In the meantime, Mia is adding more milk to get just the right balance. To give it a nice texture, Lily rolls up the dough. Mia is using vanilla to give it some extra flavor. She is satisfied about her porridge and ready to serve her dish. Lily is finishing her recipe. And now it's time to put it in the oven. Okay, hi Lily. How are you doing right now?
I'm doing good. I just put in my banitsa in. It has to cook for around 20 minutes in 200 degrees and
Okay.
then it's done.
Nice. And why did you want to choose this specific dish?
It's the most traditional Bulgarian food you ever found. It's usually done by grandmothers, but I'm a granddaughter and I'm making it with products that you can easily find abroad.
Okay.
So I'm putting my own take in it. Yeah, it's really special
Okay.
for us. Yeah.
Yeah, nice. It's basically the same as Mia said. Really the family moment and the family feeling of this dish, as the same as Mia is making. It sounds nice. Yeah, I can't wait to taste it.
I think you'll love it.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you.
For the topping, Mia is using the cinnamon sugar, the raisins, and finally our second extra ingredient, the mix of nuts. Okay, I'm just waiting on the dishes of one of the girls and oh, here comes Mia.
Hey, waar is er komen?
Thank you. Okay, let's start tasting it. It looks very nice. So presentation is very nice. Let's start tasting. It's really good.
Yay.
It tastes really good with the mushy rice with the nuts in it and the raisins. It tastes actually really good. Okay, after that delicious meal of Mia, it's Lily's turn with her dish.
Приятного аппетита.
Okay, thank you. It looks really nice. So let's take a bite of this. Also creamy. I think I actually need to take a bite with this sauce. Yeah, that's really great. Okay, so let's begin with the rating. So Mia, Lily, can you come back to your seats? Okay, Mia, so I first ate your dish and I really like the mushy consistency and the sugary sweet vibe of it.
Okay.
And what I really liked of you was really the cheesy vibe, but also a bit softer than bread. Okay, so Mia, I really liked your dish, but I actually like Lily's dish more because it was really more consistent with each other. So the winner of Breaking Recipes episode 3 is Lily. So I will hand you this trophy.
Oh,
There
thank
you
you.
go.
Thank you.
I hope you're happy with it.
Yes, I'm
Your dish
happy.
was also good, but
It's good.
I need to choose
Then I'm
one.
happy.
I love both so much. So yeah.
Okay.
It's for both.
Yay!
Thank you for joining and bye.
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 Thank you for watching the final episode of Breaking Recipes. We had a lot of fun making these and we hope you had a lot of fun watching them.